first of all, I would like to open MaxBounty account. So for that, go for MaxBounty, go for sign up. And if you are not having the MaxBounty account, then I'm going to give you some tip. MaxBounty only provide you approval if you have a YouTube channel, if you have some platform where we can put your affiliate links. It means that either you have a blogging website, either you have some informational website, either Quora monetization, either you have a YouTube videos, YouTube channel. So there should be a platform where you can promote your affiliate links. So what happened most of the time, people want MaxBounty approval without having the base. So base should be there, and you should be have your platform where you can promote your offers, maybe your Instagram account, maybe your Instagram followers. So there should be a traffic. On those traffic, you're going to promote your affiliate or CPA links. I hope this is very clear. Now onwards, I start creating content so that on the basis of those contents you will get approval. I hope you are very clear now. So I hope you are very clear right now. Now I'm going to select the very good offer. So our intention is that I want to promote those offers which have a low ticket size offer and easy to promote. Then go for, so first of all, go for browse, then go for search option. So my intention is that to promote the offer with search traffic. So just off other options, incentive, social media, native, brand bidding. I will tell you later. If you want more information about all these kind of options, all these kind of informations, I will definitely create one video dedicated to all these options. So please feel free to comment about this. I will definitely create one video on this topic. So our favorite country is United States. So I'm going to promote the offer into United States. So go for United States. Now categories, go for service and USA, and approve to run, and CPA type, I want to payment per lead. Go for apply search option. So these are the best options. So these are the best offer we can try for promotion. So either survey voices, iSurvey World, real surveys, make money surveys. Okay, so our first criteria is that the EP should be more than 0.3. Okay, I'm going to repeat once again. The EPC should be more than 0.3. Clear? So according to this, just I have find out some great offer, some great service offer here. So you can just check out. Okay, this way you can just check out. Another criteria is that what are the conditions they are putting into the offer. So thing is that just check out one by one. So first one is Pinecone Research Survey, allowed to United States, approved. And what are the conditions? Okay. So you can only promote on these criteria: 18 to 25, male, Hispanic, high school, or Asians. So only these criteria. If you're meeting these criteria, then you are allowed to promote this offer. So I don't think so. This is very bit. And again, this is a double opt-in method. This is a double opt-in offer. So I will not recommend to promote this offer right now. Okay, now go for another one. Although the EPC is very good. Now, Survey Junkie again. This is here are the conditions. User must have 16 plus. Apply to Survey Junkie. Publisher cannot direct link through search traffic. Okay, 200 actions are allowed per day. Okay, again this is a double opt-in offer. So I will not recommend this, because what happened with what is the difference between double opt-in and what is the option of single opt-in? So single opt-in means that user have to only put his email ID. That's it. If someone put his email ID, then you will get paid. But what is the meaning of double opt-in? Double opt-in is that user have to verify the email address with the verification mail. Again, this offer is good, but the thing is that I am looking for a single opt-in method, not a double opt-in method. Now again, this is condition is that you have to install and complete the service to get paid up to $4 per lead. So I think this is again some challenging work, because most of the people can install the app but not able to complete the survey. Okay, again, registration plus earn $9, then you will get $9.5. Okay, again, this is not I'm looking for right now. Again, although the EPC is very good, inbox dollar, another good offer. Yeah, this offer is very good. You can try this offer. Email confirmation, just user have to confirm the email, you will get paid up to $2.8 per leads. So now imagine how powerful offer it is. If someone confirm his email, and you will get paid. Okay, very nice offer. Okay, let's check out other offers too. Again, this is double opt-in, so we will get $3.75. Again, under states, I'm not going to promote this offer right now. Survey voices, again, this is a single opt-in. Okay, although the payout is little low, but EPC is good, and thing is that also having the daily cap of 200. So just compare with the inbox dollar, the 35. So finally, I think this offer is very good, because the daily cap is 200 and single opt-in method, and EPC is good. Just check out the landing pages. Okay, fine. The landing page is also good. So yeah. So finally, we have decided the offer which will going to start the promotion. So today's video is all about how to select the offer which we will going to promote on such traffics. So I hope very clear right now. If you have any questions, any doubt, any problem, just feel free to ask through comment box. I will definitely reply the answer with my best capacity. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.